YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy 2R running. I ain't did one of these in a little minute. You know what I'm saying? A little music reaction video. Lil Shxwn Chalk Talk. Let me start talking and play the video. Let me know if y'all want me to react to more music or, you know what I'm saying, informational videos like I had previously. You know what I'm saying? Let's get straight to it. Better not disappoint.
You want some of this? One and two. Should I get one? You get one. Can't be sharing the bags. Yeah, no, bro. Thanks. Already, bro. Good shot. Yeah. Man, listen, bro. I got a baby on the way, man. I gotta get to it, man. It's real out here.
That's how you feel. I got something set up for us right now.
What you got? Where is it?
I got something for a couple bucks.
A couple bucks. You got somebody to come get us, though?
I'm already 10 steps ahead of you. He on his way right now.
Hey, listen, I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm down for it, you hear me?
Let's get it then. You already know.
Them boys in the hood.
Yeah. Hey. It's Lil Shxwn with an X. Hey. Hey. Yeah.
Yo. I don't remember opening that door, but look, this sound like Lil Wayne. What?
I got something on my mind I wanna get off. First off, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. I'm a boss, take charge. I was on. I took a L, they was gone. I took a L, they was lost. Never knew that they was flawed. Gotta go and get the chalk. Get the chalk. Gotta chalk a nigga off. Tryna make the money talk. Money talk from a Holly Young cross. Yeah. Get whatever that they want, boy, no matter what the cost. I was stressed with no stress reliever. That's my ex-girl. That's cause I fucked and leave. That had to bust my wrist.
Bro. This man sounds like Lil Wayne, bro. Am I tripping right now? Am I tripping? You know what I'm saying?
I was stressed with no stress reliever. That's my ex-girl. That's cause I fucked and leave. That had to bust my wrist down. Now it's feeling mistreated. Had to bust your bitch down. Now she feeling misleaded. They say Lil Shxwn never change. I stay the same, sticking to the script with the same mind frame. I'm tryna ice my whole family out. I'm tryna go to Paris and show my family off. I'm tryna get on Billboard, what them Grammys bout. I'm tryna go to Disney World and be standing out. I'm tryna make a couple million and hand it out. But sometimes it don't go how you had planned it out. So baby girl, what you trying to do? Cause if you tryna fuck me, I'm tryna fuck you too. And I rap for my niggas like I'm supposed to do. But if they double cross me, what I got something on my mind I wanna get off. First off, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. I'm a boss, take charge. I was on. I took a L, they was gone. I took a L, they was lost. Never knew that they was flawed. Gotta go and get the chalk. Get the chalk. Gotta chalk a nigga off. Tryna make the money talk. Money talk from a Holly Young cross. Yeah.
Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Hey. You know, I like it. You know what I'm saying? I want this instrumental. Hey, I want this instrumental. I don't know if I can look him up or something like those, but if not, y'all spam him. Let me get this instrumental. You know, let me look it up.
Get whatever that they want, boy, no matter what the cost. I was stressed, yeah, stressed out. If a nigga test me, he get stretched out. All my niggas coming with me, none left out. Yeah, all my niggas coming with me, none left out. I'm tryna move to Calabasas, get the best house. And I'm like, fuck one Lamborghini, bring the rest out. And I want all my shows, hoes, pull they breast out. And fuck next, cause I'm tryna be the best now. But wait, 1 minute, hold up. Fuck you if you don't feel this. I keep that tool just in case I gotta drill shit. Fuck they tongue. I got something on my mind I wanna get off. First off, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. I'm a boss, take charge. I was on. I took a L, they was gone. I took a L, they was lost. Never knew that they was flawed. Gotta go and get the chalk. Get the chalk. Gotta chalk a nigga off. Tryna make the money talk. Money talk from a Holly Young cross. Yeah. Get whatever that they want, boy, no matter what the cost.
Alright, that video, you know what I'm saying? The video is a little crazy. Damn. Yo, this man sound like Lil Wayne, bro. That's, yo. It went dummy, I ain't gonna lie to you. And I see he be streaming too. He streaming at 2K. Yeah, I wanna see 2K. Hey, that was lit, bro. I don't know how this man sound Lil Wayne. That went, yeah. No one dummy. He be streaming, bro. That's lit. He be playing games. Yo, that's crazy. But that's gonna be it for the video, man. Bro, that's crazy. How did he sound like Lil Wayne? I don't know. Dang, I was not expecting that. I didn't even know if I wanted to react to this video. I thought it was like a self-promotion or something like that. Hey, man, but he cool. He cool. I still don't know how that door got open, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but I'm finna end this video right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Come on, go learn you some knowledge. Stop playing.